Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Today I am going to talk about the 5 orientation lesson which is asked or required by the unacademy. As we know, to become an educator on unacademy is a little bit lengthy process. So no problem, we have to follow all the process very seriously and carefully. So let's start. But before we started, you have to do like, share and subscribe. Okay, so as we know that orientation lesson is the third process to becoming an educator on academy. The first step is that 3 minute demo video which I make video on that, and second step is that KYC approval where 1 minute introduction or selfie video is asked on that KYC approval, and third process is that orientation lesson. So we have to make a orientation lesson on topic on 5 topics, or it's on the same topic or different topics, no matter, but you have to make on between 8 to 15 minutes your lesson will be created. So let's just start what do you have to do.